Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. Many times you have probably heard someone say, music is very mathematical. But when you ask, how is that? Many times you get a deer in the headlights look from the person who said it. In this tutorial, we will talk about some of the ways that simple math can be applied to music. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. So let's get started. The most important number in music is the number 7. The 7 letters of the alphabet used to represent notes are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. When we play those notes in order, they sound like this. So that was A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then back to our beginning note, our root note, which is A. This is the natural minor scale in the key of C major. Natural means no sharps or flats. In this scale, A is the root or main note. If we play the same notes starting from the C note, we get this sound. That was C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. This is the C major scale, the scale or key upon which all music is built. C major is the only major key that has no sharps or flats. All major scales are modeled after it. Let's transpose a key using simple math. Let's start with the key of C major, which is made up of the notes C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. Let's transpose to, say, A major. All we have to know to change to the new key is the number of flats or sharps that the new key has in it. The number of flats or sharps in a key is its key signature. Now, to learn more about key signatures and how many sharps or flats are in all keys, use the link in the description for my key signature lessons. To transpose C to A major, we will first move the root note to A. So now A is in front of the scale. Now we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. The key of A major has 3 sharp notes. So if I play the major scale melody starting from A, I get A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, and then back to A. We are now playing in the key of A major. Now let's compare the two keys. The key of C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, has 7 natural notes. The key of A major has 3 sharps in that key. Now, if we add the number of sharp notes in that key and the natural notes in that key, they add up to 7. Because there are 7 notes in a major key, the number of natural notes plus sharp or flat notes always add up to 7. Let's look at the key of A major versus A flat major. A flat major is 1/2 step lower than A major. When you lower a key by 1/2 step, the natural notes become flats, and the sharp notes become natural notes. We have A major, and A flat major. The key of A major has 3 sharp notes in it. The key of A flat major has 4 flat notes. When we add the number of sharp notes in the key of A and the number of flat notes in the key of A flat, we have 7 notes again. So when we have 2 scales that are 1/2 step apart, the enharmonic tones in both keys always add up to 7. This is just one of the few ways in which simple math applies to music. Be sure to use the link in the description below this video to see more of my easy music theory tutorials. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.